Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Whoa. Interest rates are going up, mortgages are more difficult to get, and the price of properties, homes, are going up. What does that mean? Well, you need a good broker. A real estate broker could either represent the seller, a seller's broker, or represent the buyer, a buyer's broker. If you do not know the difference, you could consult with your attorney. But these brokers are, they are some of the wealthiest people in the world. 90% of all millionaires are in the real estate industry, and they are brokers and they own properties just like you trying to get one. And what is the fair market value of a home that you will purchase? And if you have to take a second mortgage, you have a big problem. If they are telling you that the seller is going to give you a concession, you have a big problem. And typically, the amount of money you could borrow is 5 times your income. So if you made $100,000 for the year, 5 times 100,000, $500,000 is what you could borrow. If you do it jointly with family members and you all have 200,000, 5 times 200,000, $1 million you could borrow. And your closing costs should be between 3 to 5% of the value of that home. You should also get an engineer to give you an engineering report on your home. And wherever possible, most times not possible, try to get the lowest interest rate that you can receive when you purchase your home. The higher that interest rate, obviously, is the more money that you have to pay. You also have to look at property taxes. The property tax that you pay on your home could be like a mortgage. So people living in Long Island, places outside of New York City, New Rochelle, they have high property taxes. And when it have high property taxes, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, you're going to have a problem because that's like another $1,000 plus payment that you're going to be making on a monthly basis. Whatever the engineers say is what the property is. So if your home is a one family, it is a one family. The engineer told you that. It's not a two family that the broker is telling you. And these brokers will tell you everything and anything for you to purchase that home, knowing that you may have to take a second mortgage because loans are given according to how the property is obviously categorized. Is it a one family, 2 family, 3 family, and on the money that you make. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. When you come in for a consultation on purchasing your home or selling your home, we will set you in the right direction. our office also have our own real estate firm, Equity Smart Realty. Why? When we say equity smart, we want our clients to be equity smart. What is the equity in your home? Should you give away that equity? Avoid then obviously things like foreclosure. What are the options that you have? If there's any family disputes, if someone dies in the home and that property, that home goes from one generation to another, we could help you with wills, trust, estate planning, succession planning. The Attorney General of New York State, Tish James, they always give out reports. And one of the reports that they gave recently is that people are losing their homes to unscrupulous hustlers. They could be real estate brokers, they could be real estate agents, they could even be lawyers, investors. And you have to be careful to protect the largest investment in your life. If you think that someone is committing a crime against you and trying to defraud you of your property, you should communicate with the Attorney General's office. New York State Attorney General Tish James is one of those people in government fighting for your rights. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. We also have some special real estate inserts in our publications, Caribbean American Weekly, Workers' World Today, The Immigrant's Journal, and New Black Voices. You could get those publications online or at your local restaurant. If you want a copy of those publications, you could also visit my website, the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. We have links to our publications, and we have a lot of information on how you could protect your American dream, or how to realize, how to get that American dream of your first home or your second home, and your second home being your investment property. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers, and we always say here and at your home, I'm sure, that prevention is better than cure. Do not wait, the last minute when you're going to be losing that home, or not getting proper advice before entering these transactions. Give us a call at 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.